Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Tanko.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Bua Lekolore.
Steve, yeah, Piggy. Steve, you know today. Today I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
Yes.
Credit must go to the goalkeeper of Stellenbosch.
Yes.
The right back of Stellenbosch Giants.
Number 6.
The whole team of Stellenbosch. Ne? I respect the person who's recruiting players for Stellenbosch. Ne?
Exactly.
That person is doing a very good job for Stellenbosch. Going back to Sundowns. Ne? Sundowns is already mind games. If you check game ya Polokwane City, ne?
Yes.
They saw our next game the Bakopana Stellenbosch.
They
wouldn't make it. So they took Reiners because of defender just Sundowns. I didn't pay defender just Sundowns.
Yes.
Forgetting Ori, but ona lumujela kako Stellenbosch. There is Titus also.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So that thing of 7 games in a row is finished.
Done.
That thing of 7 games in a row is finished. And another thing, Mangoba Mnit. Plan a higher winner game. Always plan a winner game. I heard people they were talking about Mushishi is dead. Yes. That's true. You know why? It's because of Mangoba Mnit. Unyoko win a game extra time. That's why when I about spare Mushish because Mushish he can't run for 120 minutes.
Okay.
So Ubata win a game extra time. That's why I introduced Mushish after 70 minutes.
Yes.
So that's the plan of Mangoba Mnit. Or am I lying, my friend?
You are lying. Yeah. Steve.
Yes.
More gaming before getting a gaming. Let me rectify my guy here. Sundowns knew they were gonna face Stellenbosch. That is a lie, my guy, because the draw was never done by them.
After the draw.
No.
After
Wait.
the draw.
Sundowns. Let me tell you. As I am.
When did you sign Reiners?
After.
Yes. Okay.
But after Polokwane, we didn't know that we were gonna face what?
No, I'm saying after the game of Polokwane,
but
you went and signed Reiners from Stellenbosch.
Reiners was already on our list of.
You are listed. I know.
Right, Steve, let me just tell you, I once mentioned last week on the Orlando Stadium.
Yes.
Sundowns game ya Polokwane City. We should have killed the game first half. Finishing skills and in the box when you were supposed to score. If you have watched now, during this game, I think we were supposed to beat that team 4-1, if not 5.
True.
Because we had one-on-one chances whereby our players should have just buried those balls.
Chances.
Put it in the back of the net.
Yes.
Simple as that. But credit must go to Stephens anyway. I want to come back to say, as a team, Unidam Chelengoren can lift the team.
Yes.
Whether it's actually supposed to be first half. Start with your best 11.
Yes.
Whereby you have to kill the game first half. Put your best 11 and then deal with the game. Second half, now you can just start playing your normal football. But if you start with the people who kill game first half. Now second half after no consider now you are under pressure. You don't know who to put now. Now you're bringing in Zwane second half. Mudiba sharp, but in that position you must understand one thing. Mukwena under pressure because Mukwena over Ali, Chala Ali won because Mudiba high appeal has a backup to Mukwena. That's why they were in the middle. If you have checked there, they were killing us in the middle. But if you put somebody like Zwane, somebody like Mkulis, somebody who can a high level can quickly come back and recover, so that we don't put too much pressure to our backline as well. Remember, if the midfield is compromised, then the backline is shut down. Because also those young boys are very fast.
Yeah.
You Kraboli Books are there with the long, then Bojana go to now we have to chase them into our own 18 yards. And I don't think 18 yards. What happened? Penalty.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't deal with it. But only if we had dealt with it in the middle field, we could have killed it. But anyway, that one, it was just a punch. It was not a knockout. Second leg, that's where now we are coming stronger.
Something bad is going to happen in Moses Mapita on Saturday.
What's that?
What's killing you?
3-0. Stellenbosch. And Steve, you remember first game?
No.
You remember first game Sundowns? First game Sundowns MTN?
Yes.
I told you Stellenbosch. Stronger this cup. Ne?
You did.
Pirates and Sundowns, they won't take it.
Why?
They won't take it.
Why? Why now they mulo? Why?
Remember, I once mentioned champions know how to win this game. Especially Sundowns.
That's history.
Especially Sundowns is used to playing. Sundowns is used to playing first and second leg. That way, Champions League.
Steve,
how you deal with it first leg.
Kalim Blackpool, King Yoncha Sundowns, Kalim Blackpool.
Stellenbosch.
Stellenbosch.
Yes.
So you ubulela kataba history. No history. You already Sundowns is second, first league and second league. That's history. Now we are talking something that is now
happening.
That is happening now.
Yes.
But we want to play Stellenbosch. Top. Secret. I was inside Sundown supporters today. I was the only Chiefs fans. But after 10 minutes, after one performance at Stellenbosch, I told myself that no. Here, Kitlo Mala because of Stellenbosch obvious striker and Esquara Sundowns supporters. So Kabale then Katrina Massa Association and the rest.
You know why I like this guy? Because he's my number one worst enemy. He knows very well. Probably too much Rothman's cup, and now it's payback time, and he's paying all those sins. My guy, you are going down.
You will tell me. You will tell me.
You're going down.
Destroying the final.
Man of the match today.
I'll give it to the goalkeeper.
Why goalkeeper?
No,
four saves.
Oh, goalkeeper is really good.
Yeah,
so why now I already Sundowns are fumble?
Sundowns are fumble. I support Sundowns.
Goalkeeper or give man of the match. Goalkeeper man of the match. Sundowns are fumble. Joe.
Sundowns are fumble.
That's what very much is. That's what very much is. How going to reach that game? How better Sundowns?
Sundowns is no longer the same. Check up on the Sundowns. So no Sundowns. It's too much kadi long ball. Yes. There is some tau. Long ball. That ball ya Sundowns ya
Shushain and beyond.
Shushain. There's no more.
Goalkeeper.
There's no more. That's why.
Goalkeeper save the goal today.
It was four saves.
Four, sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, I'll count.
No, it's not.
Hurry.
No, I will count.
I'll count. No, it's a kill munyaka. Amabili, usevile ama. Shalulil, mushishi abedi.
Sales.
And then Lindela,
our new killer.
Sales.
But we want penalty every 2 years. Yes,
one stop.
The second one
penalty.
Gonzalez.
Gonzalez.